on top of that, as we talked about, hurting, both, let's say the big players in the game and the smaller players. The fact is, it's causing the housing market to get substantially less affordable at a time where, and I know people want to debate me on this about needing more housing. Let me just set the record straight. It's single family homes, right?
Yes.
It's single family homes that we are in a drought, right? Because they come on the market and they get scooped up instantaneously.
Well, there's
condos, different story.
Places like Cambridge want to completely outlaw any new single family construction.
Right. Yeah. But what I'm saying is, like, the more of these mandates and this and this and this, it's just getting so much harder. Like, imagine the stuff that you're building today, right? Let's say you're building something today and the cost is $1 million or $800,000 or $900,000. I mean, 3 or 4 years down the road, not only is it going to get more expensive to build the same unit, but if you were to sell that, it's also going to be super expensive as well, because it has all this, like, flashy EV stuff, right?
Yeah, and maybe this new thing we build now, maybe they're going to find something else that they want to mandate 10 years from now that you're going to have to repair that whole thing in that building.
You're right about this, and I talk about this often. So the crazy thing, like, I always talk about looking at this from the outside in. The crazy thing about what we're talking about today and all of these mandates and all the money it's costing and potentially not saving on the back end, these were almost, I know these were not necessarily knee-jerk decisions, but in my opinion, it is a knee-jerk decision if you don't implement things slowly. So then what happens is, if you start to look at from the outside looking in, you wonder, just like you said, what else are they going to do? Like, they did this. What else is possible?
You spend all this money bringing your building up to code. You don't know what's going to happen next.
That's what I'm trying to say.
It makes investors really weary to bring money to our state.
Exactly. People are leaving the state as fast as they're coming in, and most of them are around our age group, right?
Yeah.
I just turned 40 years old. Like, I think the demographic is, like, I think people in the age group of like 32 to 40 or 28 to 38, they're the ones that are leaving the state.
Yeah.
And those are the ones that are perhaps starting a business or starting a company or